Asset Lifecycle Management, a complete guide for 2023. Today, we are going to talk about our comprehensive guide on Asset Lifecycle Management, ALM, and its significance in 2023. ALM assists firms in managing asset acquisition, maintenance, and disposal, resulting in increased operational efficiency, higher ROI, and decreased downtime. The asset management lifecycle is divided into 6 stages: planning, procurement, deployment, utilization, maintenance, and disposal. Read our blog to learn about the advantages of ALM, such as cost control, increased efficiency, compliance, risk management, sustainability, and better planning. Explore the tools and technologies for successful asset lifecycles management, such as ERP systems, CMMS, IoT sensors, GIS, RFID, and predictive analytics. This guide will provide vital insights if you want to improve asset performance, cut expenses, or satisfy regulatory requirements. For more insight, please read our blog Asset Lifecycle Management and its significance in 2023 on our blog site today.